Hello student, I Dr. Jyoti Gupta. Today I will discuss topic expansion of function by Maclaurin's and Taylor's series. So definition of Maclaurin series. If f of x be a function of the variable x such that it can be expanded in ascending powers of x and this expansion be differentiable any number of times, then the theorem states that f of x is equal to f of 0 plus x upon factorial 1 f dash 0 plus x square by factorial 2 f double dash 0 plus dash dash and so on. Or if y is equal to f of x, then we can write y is equal to y over 0 plus x by factorial 1 y1 over 0 plus x square by factorial 2 y2 over 0 plus dash dash dash. We know that e to the power x is equal to 1 plus x by factorial 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus dash dash plus x to the power n by factorial n plus dash dash so on. And also log 1 plus x is equal to x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x to the power 4 by 4 plus and dash dash dash. So here we can take alternative sign. And also sin x is equal to sin series is a odd series, so that x minus x cube by factorial 3 plus x to the power 5 by factorial 5 minus x to the power 7 by factorial 7 plus so on. So now we take a problem. Expand f of x is equal to log sec x by Maclaurin theorem, or apply Maclaurin's theorem to prove that log sec x is equal to 1 by 2 into x square plus 1 by 12 into x to the power 4 plus 1 by 45 x to the power 6 plus and so on. So solution is, let f of x is equal to log sec x. It is given in the problem. So we first evaluate f dash x and then we put the value of x is 0. So f dash x is equal to 1 by sec x into sec x tan x. So that sec x both are cross. Then f double dash x is equal to sec square x, because we know that differentiation of tan x is equal to sec square x. Now we put the value of x is equal to 0, so that f double dash 0 is equal to sec square 0. We know that sec 0 is equal to 1, so f double dash 0 is equal to 1. Now triple differentiation or successive differentiation of given function, that is f triple dash x is equal to 2 sec x into sec x tan x is equal to 2 sec square x tan x. Now put the value of 0, so that f triple dash 0 is equal to 2 sec square 0 tan 0 is equal to 2 sec 0 is equal to 1 and tan 0 is equal to 0, so that f triple dash 0 is equal to 0. Now f fourth times differentiation, that is f fourth x is equal to dy by dx 2 sec square x tan x. We use the product rule of differentiation. So f fourth x is equal to 2 sec square x into sec square x. We know that tan x differentiation is sec square x plus tan x into 4 sec x into sec x tan x. Now simplify this. F fourth x is equal to 2 sec to the power 4x plus 4 sec square x into tan square x. At x is equal to 0, f fourth differentiation at 0 is equal to 2 sec to the power 4 into 0 plus 4 sec square 0 tan square 0 is equal to 2 into 1 to the power 4 plus 4 into 1 to the power 2 into 0 square. So after solving we get f fourth differentiation at 0 is equal to 2. Now fifth differentiation, that is f of fifth x is equal to 8 sec square x tan cube x plus 8 sec to the power 4x tan x plus 8 sec to the power 4x tan x. F fifth differentiation of x is equal to 8 sec square x tan cube x plus 16 sec to the power 4x tan x. Then we get is equal to 0. Again differentiate the value of the sixth derivative at x is equal to 0, that is 16. Now apply Maclaurin series. So put the above values in Maclaurin series. We get log sec x is equal to f0 plus x upon factorial 1 f dash 0 plus x square by factorial 2 f double dash 0 plus x cube by factorial 3 f triple dash 0 plus and so on. Substituting the values f dash 0, f double dash 0, f triple dash 0 and we get log sec x is equal to 0 plus x into 0 plus x square by factorial 2 into 1 plus x cube by factorial 3 into 0 plus x to the power 4 by factorial 4 into 2 plus x to the power 5 by factorial 5 into 0 plus x to the power 6 by factorial 6 into 16 and so on. Simplify the terms, that is log sec x is equal to x square by 2 plus 2x to the power 4 by 24 plus 16x to the power 6 by 720 plus so on. So we get log sec x is equal to 1 by 2 x square plus 1 by 12 x to the power 4 plus 1 by 45 x to the power 6 plus so on. Hence proved. Now we can take next problem, that is find the first 5 terms in the expansion of e to the power sin x by Maclaurin's theorem. So solution is, let y is equal to e to the power sin x, this function is given in question. We use the form y is equal to y over 0 plus x upon factorial 1 by 1 over 0 plus x square by factorial 2 y square over 0 plus so on. Now differentiate given function y is equal to e to the power sin x. So by differentiation we get cos x into e to the power sin x is equal to by cos x. Here we put e to the power sin x is equal to y. Again differentiate, that is d2y by dx square is equal to dy by dx y into cos x. That is differentiation of y, that is y1. Second function is as it is, that is cos x plus y as it is, and differentiation cos x, that is minus sin x. So that y2 over 0 we get y1 into cos 0 plus y over 0 minus sine 0, so we get 1. Again differentiate, that is third derivative, dqy by dx that is y3 is equal to dy by dx into y1 cos x minus y sin x. So we get y2 cos x minus y1 sin x minus y1 sin x plus y cos x. We get y3 is equal to y2 cos x minus 2y1 sin x minus y cos x, and again over 0 we get y2 over 0 cos 0 minus 2y1 over 0 sin 0 minus y over 0 cos 0, so we get is equal to 0. Again we differentiate given function, that is fourth derivative. So y4 is equal to dy by dx y2 cos x minus 2y1 sin x minus y cos x. Now we use a product rule, so that y4 is equal to y3 cos x minus y2 sin x minus 2y2 sin x plus y1 cos x minus y1 cos x minus y sin x. After simplifying we get y4 is equal to y3 cos x minus 3y2 sin x, because 2y2 sin x here and 1y2 sin x is also here, so we add both, we get 3y2 sin x minus 3y1 cos x plus y sin x. Now put x is equal to 0, that is y3 0 cos 0 minus 3y2 over 0 sin 0 minus 3y1 0 cos 0 plus y 0 sin 0. We put the value of sine 0, that is 1, and sine cos 0 is 1 and sine 0 is 0. So we get 0 into 1 minus 3 into 1 into 0 minus 3 by 1 we get 1, and cos 0 is 1 plus 1 and sine 0 is 0. So after solving we get minus 3. Now we find fifth derivative. So y5 over 0 is equal to minus 8. Now applying Maclaurin's theorem, that is y is equal to y0 x y factorial 1 y1 over 0 plus x square y factorial 2 y2 over 0 plus x cube y factorial 3 y3 over 0 and so on. Substituting above values in Maclaurin theorem, so we get y, that is e to the power sin x, is equal to y0 that is 1 plus x upon factorial 1 and y10 that is 1 plus x square y factorial 2 y2 over 0 that is 1 plus x cube y factorial 3 y3 over 0 that is 0 plus x4 y factorial 4 y4 over 0 that is minus 3 plus x to the power 5 y factorial 5 and y5 is minus 8. After simplifying we get e to the power sin x is equal to 1 plus x square y 2 minus 3x to the power 4 y 24 minus 8 x to the power 5 by 120 plus. So here 3 cross 24, so we get 8, and 8 divided by 120 we get 1 by 15. So we get e to the power sin x is equal to 1 plus x square by 2 minus x to the power 4 by 8 minus x to the power 5 by 15 plus and so on. Hence proved. Now we discuss another theorem, that is Taylor's theorem. So statement is, if f of a plus s where a is a independent of h be a function of the variable h such that it can be expanded in ascending powers of h, and this expansion be differentiable any number of times. Then the theorem states that f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h f dash a plus h square by factorial 2 f double dash a dash dash h to the power n by factorial n f double dash f to the power n a plus so on. If we put a is equal to x or some variable and h is equal to h dash, then we get f x plus h dash is equal to f of x plus h dash f dash x plus h double dash by factorial 2 f double dash x plus so on. Our problem is expand log sin x in powers of x minus a. So solution is let f of x is equal to log sin x. We use the form f of x is equal to f of a plus x minus a by factorial 1 f dash a plus x minus a whole square by factorial 2 f double dash a plus so on. Now evaluate f of a and its successive derivatives at x is equal to a. Now be given f of x is equal to log sin x. So differentiation of log sin x, that is 1 by sin x into cos x, and at a f of a is equal to log sin a. F dash x is equal to cos x upon sin x, that is cot x. So at x is equal to a, f dash a is equal to cot a. Again differentiate given function, that is second derivative, f double dash x is equal to minus cosec square x. Put x is equal to a, then we get f double dash a is equal to minus cosec square a. Triple differentiation, that is f triple dash x is equal to minus 2 cosec x into minus cosec x cot x is equal to 2 cosec square x cot x at x is equal to a. So f triple dash a is equal to 2 cot a cosec square a. Apply Taylor's series. Log sin x is equal to f of a plus x minus a f dash a plus x minus a whole square by factorial 2 f double dash a plus x minus a whole cube by factorial 3 f triple dash a plus so on. Now substituting above values in Taylor's series. So log sin x is equal to log sin a plus x minus a cot a x minus a whole square by factorial 2 cosec square a plus so on. Next problem is expand tan x plus pi by 4 as far as x to the power 4 and evaluate tan 44 degree. So now solution is let f of x is equal to tan x. We want to expand f of x plus pi by 4 in powers of x using Taylor's theorem. That is f of h plus x is equal to f of h plus x upon factorial 1 f dash h plus x square by factorial 2 f double dash h plus x cube by factorial 3 f of triple dash h plus x to the power 4 by factorial 4 f of fourth h plus so on. Here h is equal to pi by 4. So we put the value of x is equal to pi by 4. So we get f of x plus pi by 4 is equal to f of pi by 4 plus x upon factorial 1 f dash pi by 4 plus x square y factorial 2 f double dash pi by 4 plus x cube y factorial 3 f triple dash pi by 4 plus dash dash and so on. Now differentiate given function and put x is equal to pi by 4. So f of pi by 4 is equal to 10 pi by 4. We know that 10 45, that is 10 pi by 4 is equal to 1, and f dash x is equal to sec square x, because differentiation of 10x, that is sec square x, and put x is equal to pi by 4. So we get sec square pi by 4. We know that sec pi by 4 is equal to root pi. So sec square pi by 4 is equal to root pi whole square, that is 2. Again differentiate, we get 2 sec x into sec x tan x is equal to 2 sec square x tan x. After simplifying, we know that sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. So here 2 into 1 plus tan square x into tan x is equal to 2 tan x plus 2 tan cube x. Put x is equal to pi by 4. So we get 2 tan pi by 4 plus 2 tan cube pi by 4 is equal to 2 into 1, because tan pi by 4, that is 1, plus 2 tan cube pi by 4, that is 1 to the power 3. So after solving we get 4, and triple differentiation of function, that is 4 sec square x tan square x plus 2 sec to the power 4x. We can write sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. So we put sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. So 4 into 1 plus tan square x into, this is tan square x plus 2 1 plus tan square x whole square. Put the value of x is equal to pi by 4, so that f triple dash pi by 4 is equal to 4 1 plus 1, because 10 pi by 4 is 1. Again 10 pi by 4 is 1 plus 2 1 plus 10 square pi by 4, that is 1. After solving we get 8 plus s, that 8, that is 16. Fifth derivative, that is the value of the fourth derivative at x is equal to pi by 4. So we put the value x is equal to pi by 4, we get 80. Now applying Taylor's series, that is 10 x plus pi by 4 is equal to f of pi by 4 plus x upon factorial 1 f dash pi by 4 plus x square y factorial 2 f double dash pi by 4 plus x cube y factorial 3 f triple dash pi by 4 plus x to the power 4 y factorial 4 f fourth pi by 4 plus so on. Now substituting above value in this theorem, that is 10x plus 5 by 4 is equal to 1 plus x into 2 x square by factorial 2 into 4, because f double dash pi by 4, that is 4, plus x cube y factorial 3 and f triple dash pi by 4, that is 16, plus x to the power 4 by factorial 4 and f fourth derivative pi by 4, that is 80, plus so on. So simplifying we get 10 x plus pi by 4 plus is equal to 1 plus 2x plus 2x square plus 16 by 6 x cube plus 80 by 24 x 4. Now we find the value of tan 44 degree. We know that pi by 4 is equal to 45 degree, So x plus 45 degree is equal to 46, or x is equal to minus 1 degree, x is equal to minus 1 degree into pi by 180 degree. The value of convert in radians to degree. So minus 1 into pi by 180 degree is equal to minus 0.0174533 radians. Substitute x is equal to minus 0.0174533 into the expansion, that is 1045 degree minus 1 degree, that is 1044 degree, because we find 1044 degree. So is equal to 1 plus 2 into minus 0.0174533 plus 2 into minus 0.0174533 whole square plus 8 upon 3 minus 0.0174533 whole cube plus 10 by 3 minus 0.0174533 whole 4. So that 1044 degree is equal to 0.9657. Thank you.